I hate to be the one saying this, but the long beard is gone. Welcome back, everybody, in another episode of In the Bathroom with Andy V. What I wanted to share with you guys, and I said, let me just take a moment to interact and react with you real time, what was happening to me. And that is nothing, that the long beard is gone, guys. As soon as my beard grows a little bit, I feel like I need to cut it. It's not really the thing anymore. I don't feel clean as I used to feel before. And when I see it on guys today, I was with some of my friends on the beach. It's not the same thing. I don't know what that is. So I'm gonna go today with you and see if 3mm with my new Panasonic is the length. They actually sell this one only with the 3 and 6mm face. And I think I'm at 1 right now. I don't want to fade it. I thought about having a fade and letting it grow in the front, but it's not really my thing. I want to see 3mm, if that's the way, and that's gonna give me the Italian shape that I want, or I might even go shorter than that. Go straight into it, 3mm with the Panasonic. Like straight away in 1 minute, just to give an idea. Let me first put the Purple Rain, just to have a nice look. The hair is growing a little, which is great, but the beard is not there to stay. This side I did it better probably. I gotta tell you, this machine is so good. So that's the beard stash. And it's probably nice. It's probably more the vibe right now. Yeah, I mean, come on. The stash is the thing. Purple Rain on the hair, look how cool. Kind of wet, wolfy mullet effect. I mean, it's not a mullet, but as soon as I see this long thing, call it a mullet. Peace.